Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. A very warm welcome to you all in my channel. My name is Neetu Singh, and today I'm just going to tell you what happened yesterday at night because this is my story and now everyone's know that heavy rain is going on. That's why the weather are so changing for kids as well. Yesterday morning, my baby has a fever, little bit. He had a fever. Then I checked his temperature and then I gave him a medicine, a syrup. I gave him, and after that he was okay. 2 and 3 hours later, he was playing, and after I check in the afternoon 1 p.m. I check again he has a fever. Again I gave him a medicine and I was thinking like that because of the weather that's changing, that's why he has some fever issue. After that he start cold, cough, everything, and he has a very bad cough. From his childhood he has a very bad cough, and then give him a medicine which I have at my home. Okay, then I gave him. Then in evening time he was okay. Then we went outside to market. We have to purchase something because his birthday is coming. That's why we went. Mummy, मैं कब आया? Oh my god. Now that much he had a cough. मैं बाहर खेलूं? अभी खेलती हूँ, आप बाहर जाओ, ओके? ओके, अभी आप बाहर जाओ, मैं अभी आती हूँ, ठीक है? ओके, अभी आपको दवाई खिलाऊंगी. So yesterday we went market to purchase his clothes because his birthday is coming. Then I checked again his. He has so much laziness inside his body. He could not able to get up. Could not able to get up. And then because of he has a cough, then my husband gave him a भाप, like भाप को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? My husband gave him a bhap, and then I gave him a medicine, and he only eat two eggs because of he want to eat yesterday eggs, and we were walking on the road and he saw some eggs was boiled like a egg pakoda. He want to eat that, so my husband purchased for him, and then he eats. So whether he want to eat, so my husband provides him, and then I said to him, from morning to evening he did not eat anything, so that's why we purchased for him egg, and then he ate. After that I gave him medicine, and then he slept again, and I was so shocked about it, that what happened to him. And he did not eat anything. Okay, after that when he sleep we both are talking to each other, like I don't know what happened to it, the weather are changing, or he has some evil eye on him, so I don't know what was the happen. Then we both sleep, and again he wake up at 3:45. He start crying again, mama, 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 and I was saying, okay, I am here, tell me what happened. So he said, mama, bhook lagi hai, I am hungry. And I said, okay, so tell me what do you want to eat. And he said to me, mama, I want to eat paratha. He want to eat paratha today's morning, because right now I'm just shooting, so it's today's morning he want to eat paratha. At the 3:45, I gave him a banana, so he did not eat. I gave him milk, so he did not eat. So then my husband said to me, okay, go to the kitchen and make one paratha for him. Then I go to the kitchen, and 3:45 I just made two paratha for him, and he only eat one paratha. And then I realized that how much he is hungry, and he wants me to wake up, because through like he was doing something, mama, he was like touching me, he was touching his father, but when he could not handle his hungriness, then he wakes me up. So that is the real practice of my English. It's going on, and that's how you can do your English speaking practice also at home. Yes, I will play with you. So right now he is my son. आपको खांसी हो रही है? हो गया. आप ठंडा पानी नहीं पीना, ओके? ओके. आपको बुखार आया था? आया था. Okay, so that's he has cough like this. आप मम्मा से प्यार करते हो? करते हो. आप आपका बर्थडे आ रहा है ना? आ रहा है. क्या खाओगे आप बर्थडे में? केक. आप बोलो मेरे बर्थडे पे आप लोग आना।
ठीक है।
ठीक है नहीं, इनको बोलो तो। मोशी,
मोची,
हाँ मेरे बर्थडे पे आना।
मेरे बर्थडे पे आना।
ओके,
ओके,
आई विल
आई विल
वेट
वेट
फॉर
फॉर
यू
यू,
मोसी
मोची
एंड
एंड
मामा।
मम्मा।
Like you know, he love his Masi and Mama most. So this is the way exactly at that's how I am doing my English practice, where I don't have any partner to at my home. Okay, so that's how you can describe all the story and you can learn. Okay, so bye bye guys, and now you cannot say that I don't have any partner to practice with my English. We all are learners and we have to find our ways that how we can do our English speaking practice.